Hello, fellow gardeners. Have you ever dreamed of harvesting your own tender, flavorful leeks right from your patio or balcony? Today, we're going to make that dream a reality. We're diving deep into the wonderful world of growing leeks from seed, specifically in containers. Container gardening offers fantastic flexibility, especially for vegetables like leeks. You can control the soil quality precisely and move your plants to optimize sunlight exposure. This method is ideal for urban gardeners or those with small yards. It also helps protect your leeks from certain soil-borne pests and diseases. Plus, harvesting is often much cleaner and easier when your plants are elevated. It's a truly convenient way to enjoy fresh produce. The journey to delicious leeks begins with selecting the right seeds. There are many excellent varieties available, each with slightly different characteristics. Consider varieties known for good container performance. Look for descriptions like early maturing or compact if you're in a cooler climate or have limited space. Some popular choices include Musselburgh, Bandit, or King Richard, which are known for their robust growth. Always purchase seeds from a reputable supplier to ensure good germination rates. Before we sow, let's gather everything we'll need. You'll want seed starting trays or small pots, a high-quality seed starting mix, and your chosen leek seeds. A watering can with a fine rose is also essential. For later stages, prepare larger containers, which we'll discuss shortly, and a good quality potting mix. Don't forget a trowel, gardening gloves, and plant labels to keep track of your varieties. Leeks have a long growing season, so starting them indoors is crucial, especially in cooler climates. Aim to sow your seeds about 8 to 12 weeks before your last anticipated frost date. This gives them a head start. Provide your seedlings with plenty of light from the very beginning. A south-facing window is good, but grow lights are even better for strong, stocky growth. Keep the temperature consistently around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. Fill your seed starting trays or small pots with the seed starting mix, leaving about ½ inch from the top. Gently moisten the mix thoroughly before sowing. This prevents seeds from washing away. Sow your leek seeds thinly, about ¼ inch deep. You can sow them quite close together at this stage, as we'll be thinning them later. Cover lightly with more mix and gently pat down. After sowing, keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. A humidity dome can help maintain moisture until germination. Once seedlings emerge, remove the dome to ensure good air circulation. Once your seedlings are about 2 to 3 inches tall, it's time to thin them. Snip off the weaker seedlings at the soil line, leaving the strongest ones about ½ inch apart. This gives them space to develop. When your leek seedlings are about 6 to 8 inches tall and have developed a good root system, it's beneficial to pot them up into slightly larger individual containers. This encourages stronger growth before their final home. Choose pots that are about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Carefully tease apart the seedlings if they were sown densely, or gently transplant individual plants. Use a good quality potting mix for this step. Before moving your leeks to their final outdoor containers, they need to be hardened off. This process gradually acclimates them to outdoor conditions like wind, direct sun, and fluctuating temperatures. Over a period of 7 to 10 days, progressively expose your leeks to the outdoors. Start with a few hours in a sheltered, shady spot, gradually increasing their time outside in exposure to direct sunlight. Leeks need deep containers to develop their long, white shanks. Choose pots that are at least 10 to 12 inches deep and wide. Terracotta, plastic, or fabric grow bags all work well. Fill your chosen containers with a high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Dig a hole for each leek seedling, making sure to plant them deeply. The goal is to bury about 2/3 of the seedling, leaving only the top few inches exposed. Space your leeks about 4 to 6 inches apart in the container. This gives them enough room to grow without competing too much for nutrients. Water them in thoroughly after transplanting. Consistent watering is crucial for leeks, especially in containers where soil dries out faster. Check the soil moisture daily and water when the top inch feels dry. Avoid letting them dry out completely. Leeks are heavy feeders. Begin fertilizing about 2 weeks after transplanting with a balanced liquid fertilizer, following the product's instructions. Repeat every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season. To achieve those desirable long white shanks, you'll need to blanch your leeks. This involves mounding soil or potting mix around the stems as they grow. Start when they are about 6 inches tall. Add an inch or two of soil every couple of weeks, being careful not to cover the leaves. You can also use cardboard collars or even toilet paper rolls around the stems to exclude light. Keep an eye out for common pests like onion thrips or leek moth. Healthy plants are more resistant, but address any issues promptly with organic pest control methods if necessary. Leeks are typically ready for harvest when their shanks are about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. This usually takes anywhere from 100 to 150 days from seeding, depending on the variety. To harvest, gently loosen the soil around the base of the plant with a trowel. Then, carefully pull the entire leek from the container. You can also cut them at the soil line, leaving the root to potentially regrow smaller leeks. If your leek leaves are yellowing, it could indicate a nutrient deficiency or overwatering. Ensure good drainage and consistent feeding. Slow growth might mean they need more sunlight or warmer temperatures. Remember, gardening is a learning process. Don't be discouraged by minor setbacks. Adjust your care based on what your plants are telling you.